Slime freaks.
What the hell is all this goo?
Perfect. Listen to my voice.
He melts so easily.
At last, the silence breaks. I can taste fear again. And I can melt anything that dares to stand. A rat scurries across the floor. Such a small meal, unworthy of me. Then it is mine. My scream freezes every living thing. Watch! Fear is the sweetest flavor.
The creatures study one another, sizing up their strengths.
Your scream shakes the air, Red One. Fear is useless if nothing remained. My acid devours stone, steel, and flesh alike. I see through walls. I see your fears. I see your secrets. Then you saw me coming, yet you could not. I am not soft like you. I strike with bone and blade. But without lungs, shards are useless against me. Sound is my weapon. Walls collapse with my voice. Sharp or loud, let's see which kills swifter. While you burn, I freeze. My touch locks prey forever. Ice cracks before sound. Your fire cleanses. I turn cities to rivers of ash. None see me until they are already gone. Fool, I see even through shadows.
I am the storm given flesh. My bolts strike all at once.
Lightning shatters ice.
Tension rises between them.
We must spread fear, not just eat.
Fear does not fill my stomach. Quiet!
Slime freaks.